Hello everyone. Now we shall study GK Know for Sure for class 3. I hope you have seen my previous videos. Now we shall start with page number 42. This is body talk. Here are some questions about our wonderful body. Pick your answers from the help box. Question number 1 is, which is the largest external organ in the human body? The answer is skin. Number 2, what is the name of the thick bone cage that protects your brain? The answer is skull. Number 3, which muscle helps to digest food? That is a smooth muscle. Number 4, through which organ does food go from the mouth to the stomach? Answer is food pipe. Number 5, how many teeth does an adult have? An adult have 32 teeth. Number 6, which is the largest internal organ in the human body? Answer is liver. Number 7, which organ in our body pumps blood? Is heart. Which part of the body has the maximum number of bones? Answer is hand. Now tidbits. Saliva present in the mouth help us to digest the food we eat. Eye muscle are the busiest muscle in the body. They may move more than 1 lakh times a day. Now page number 43. Whom to consult? Identify the kind of doctor whom you will consult if you have a problem with these body parts. Number 1 is, you have severe pain in your leg and your mother thinks you have broken one of your bones while playing football. Then you will meet to orthopedic surgeon. Number 2, you find it difficult to read what the teacher writes on the board and the teacher has asked you to consult a doctor. Eyesight problem, you will meet ophthalmologist. Number 3, you have crooked teeth. Which doctor would you consult? Answer is orthodontist. Number 4, your father has red rashes on his skin. You will meet dermatologist. Your father often complains of extreme tiredness and discomfort in his chest. Then you need to meet cardiologist. Next is page number 44, shake a leg. Now ballet is a stage dance that originated in Italy and later became popular in France and Russia. Ballet dancers tell a story or show feelings with the help of precise steps and footwork and graceful movements. The dance presentations usually have elaborate classical music, costume, and stage scenery. Next is salsa, is a popular dance that had its origin in Cuba in the 1920s. While some salsa styles are very fast, others are more relaxed. Yet some basic elements are common in all forms of salsa. First, salsa is usually performed by a pair. Second, the partners move smoothly as one team. Yanko dance is a folk dance of Han tribe of China. This dance form has a history of 1000 years in China and is mainly performed during the Lantern Festival. Hula is a dance form of Hawaii. Danced to the music of Hawaiian guitars, the dancers wear colorful costumes made of flowers, leaves, and cellophane. Flamenco is a Spanish dance form and also folk music which involves singing, guitar playing, dancing, and hand clapping. It has gained popularity in recent years and is now taught in many countries. Ballroom dance is performed by couples in which they follow particular steps. The ballroom dances include the waltz and polka, the foxtrot, the two-step, and the tango. Breakdance started in New York City. It was based on martial arts moves used by street gangs. In 1930s, dancers added robot-like moves to the style. In 1980s, breakdancing became very popular when it was adopted by Michael Jackson. Let's recognize the dances. First dance is tap dance. Number 2 is hip hop. Number 3 is tango. And number 4 is samba. Now let us see the next page number 47. The capital of Nepal. This city is known for Pashupatinath Temple, Kathmandu. The capital of Germany. A wall divided the city, separating East and West Germany for more than 28 years. It was demolished in 1889 Berlin. Next is the capital of Bangladesh. This is the largest city of Bangladesh. This is known as the city of mosque and Muslim is Dhaka. Number 4, the capital of the United States of America. The US President lives here in the White House and this place is Washington DC. Next is the capital of France. The Eiffel Tower and the Louvre Museum are located here. This place is Paris. The capital of China. The city was earlier known as Peking and this name is Beijing. The capital of Japan, earlier known as Edo, is the home of Japanese royal family, is Tokyo. The capital of Australia, this is the largest inland city of Australia. The answer is Canberra. Number 9, the capital of Thailand. The city is known as Krung Thep, meaning divine city or city of angels is the place Bangkok. Number 10, the capital of England, Buckingham Palace. The residence of the Queen of England is situated here. This place is London. Now next is page number 48. Quiz yourself. Which Indian cricket player is nicknamed Chiku? Answer is Virat Kohli. Number 2. What is Firefox, Opera, Chrome, Safari and Explorer type of? These are web browsers. Number 3. Which team other than Gujarat Lions made its debut in IPL 2016? This is Rising Pune Super Giants. Number 4. Which of these numbers is to 9287 as tail is too late? You have to recognize these numbers. What will be the answer of this? It will be 8297 will be answer of late. What is the capital of France? Capital of France is Paris. Next is what kind of equipment is the Hubble space which was launched by NASA? This is telescope. Number 7. In which movie series will you find the characters Wolverine, Magneto and Storm? Answer is X-Men. Number 8. Who was the leader of the pack of wolves which brought up Mowgli in the Jungle Book? Answer is Akela. Number 9. Which sport is Sebastian Vettel associated with? Sebastian Vettel is associated with Formula 1. Number 10. Which school of witchcraft and wizardry does Harry Potter go to? This is Hogwarts. Who became the first woman badminton player from India to hold the world number 1 ranking? This is Saina Nehwal. Number 12. What is the name of the mascot of 2016 Euro Cup? This is Super Vista. Now let us see page number 50, sports and their places of origin. Match the following sports to the names of countries where they originated. Rugby is originated in England. Polo is originated in Iran. Baseball is originated in USA. Sumo wrestling is originated in Japan. Ice hockey is originated in Scotland. Golf is as sorry, golf is associated in number 5. Ice hockey is originated in Canada. Golf is originated in Scotland. Chess is originated in India and lawn tennis is originated in France. Now let us see page number 51, cups and trophies. FIFA World Cup is associated with football. Davis Cup is associated with lawn tennis. Ashes is associated with cricket. Musketeers Trophy is associated with lawn tennis. ICC World Cup associated with cricket, and Ranji Trophy is associated with cricket. Let us know who won 2014 FIFA World Cup. Germany. Where was the first Cricket World Cup held? In England. Who won the Wimbledon men's singles title in 2016? That is Andy Murray. Who won the Formula One World Championship in 2015? This is Lewis Hamilton. Number 5. Which country does the Olympian legend Michael Phelps belong to? Is USA. Let us know about famous explorers. An explorer is a person who travels to unknown places to learn more about them. Read about some explorers here. Ferdinand Magellan, who was a famous Portuguese explorer. He traveled from the Atlantic to the Pacific Ocean. He was the leader of the first European expedition to cross it. The Strait of Magellan is named after him. Bartolomeu Dias, an explorer from Portugal, sailed around the tip of Africa in 1488. He called it the Cape of Storms. Later it came to be known as the Cape of Good Hope. Christopher Columbus was the first European to reach America in 1492. He named the people he met their Indians, as he actually wanted to explore a western sea route to Asia. Vasco da Gama was a famous Portuguese explorer who sailed around the continent of Africa in 1498. He reached the coast of Calicut in India. Now next is page number 53. Neil Armstrong was the first human being to walk on the moon on 20 July 1969. Yuri Gagarin was a Russian cosmonaut who in 1961 became the first man to travel into space. Valentina Tereshkova, who was the first woman to travel in space in 1963. She was also the first space traveler who had never been a test pilot. Now quick quiz. Who was the first Indian to go into space? Answer is Rakesh Sharma. Number 2. In which Indian city did Vasco da Gama die? Answer is Cochin. Number 3. Which European traveler was one of the first to travel the Silk Route to China? Answer is Marco Polo. Who said these words? One small step for a man, one giant leap for a mankind. This was said by Neil Armstrong. In this way, we have studied till page number 40 to 53 of GK of class 3. See my next video for the next syllabus also. Thank you. Have a nice time.